Can you think of a time when you were completely lost in a virtual world where you were engaged in combat, puzzle solving, and thrilling adventures? Do you realize that this is one of a lot of dark corners of gaming? Let us reveal the hidden dangers that hide within the world of video games. Get ready for a journey that goes beyond pixels and polygons and highlights the problematic elements that frequently go overlooked. Let's explore how gaming affects our mental health, our relationships, and society as a whole as we set off on this illuminating journey. Alarming developments in recent studies imply that excessive gaming can result in addiction and negative outcomes. We'll look at the psychological tricks game designers use to keep players interested and possible instances of exploiting weak people for financial gain. We'll address the heated topic of violence in video games and the complex connection between virtual violence and actual behavior. Although the gaming industry has developed into a thriving and connected community, it is not without its darker sides. We will shed light on harmful actions, cyberbullying, and the effects of excessive screen usage on both physical and mental health. Let's learn more about the dark side of gaming, addiction, exploitation, and violence in video games. Let's manage the challenging environment where fun and responsibility intersect and where the deep power of virtual worlds can have a significant impact on our lives together. Welcome to this fascinating investigation into the shadowy side of the gaming industry. The gaming sector has seen rapid expansion, with global revenues expected to reach a startling $180 billion in 2020. As the gaming business expands, so does the worry about gaming addiction. According to recent studies, 3 to 4% of gamers show indicators of problematic gaming behavior, struggle to regulate their gaming time, and experience detrimental effects in many areas of their lives. Stories from real people whose lives have been ruined by gaming addiction serve as stark reminders of its effects. Relationships become stressed, professional or academic goals are missed, and even one's physical health is put at risk. The attraction of online success and social connections can be irresistible, causing one to overlook their obligations and well-being. The game industry's exploitative practices have also drawn criticism. Concerns regarding exploitative follows involving vulnerable people, especially kids, have been raised by the growing popularity of loot boxes and microtransactions, where players pay real or vital money or virtual money to buy in video games. The distinction between enjoyment and exploitation is sometimes blurred by these practices, which frequently use psychological triggers to build a sense of urgency and need to spend more. Discussions on the potential connections between cyber aggression and physical aggression are still very heated. Studies have found a correlation between playing violent video games and a short-term rise in aggressive thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. While solid proof of a direct link has not yet been found, care must be taken to consider the effects on vulnerable groups such as youngsters and people who already exhibit aggressive tendencies. It is important to recognize the actions the gaming industry has done to address these issues. Age ratings, parental restrictions, and attempts to promote responsible gaming have all been applied by game developers and platforms. Some businesses deliberately promote enjoyable gaming experience by putting an emphasis on diversity, inclusion, and community development to nurture healthy gaming habits and encourage critical thinking. However, falls on the industry as well as parents, educators, and society at large. The attraction of deep playing connects with difficult ethical dilemmas in this diverse of the world of gaming. We must maintain our knowledge, play responsibly, and promote open discussion about the negative aspects of gaming. Conclusion: though gaming gives amazing chances for enjoyment, social interaction, and personal development, we must also face the difficulties it brings. in order to encourage responsible gaming behaviors, safeguard vulnerable people, and create a welcoming and safe gaming community. It is imperative that players, parents, educators, and the gaming business itself collaborate. We can successfully manage the complexity of gaming and guarantee a satisfying and equitable gaming experience for everybody by remaining aware, establishing healthy limits, and having open talks. Let's keep in mind that while gaming has a negative side, there is still room for improvement. We can create a future where gaming is a force for empowerment, creativity, and a sincere enjoyment by using technology and adopting ethical ideas. I believe you liked the video. Share it with friends and family and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, do mention in the comments box.